Hello friends, it's Simon. I have great news for everyone. I've prepared a unique strategy that brings phenomenal results even to trading newcomers. You can start with absolutely any amount. Any, even with a few bucks. Want to know what the result will be? Well then, let's watch this video till the end. I'm curious myself. As you can see, I've already got the platform fired up. I even withdrawn all the funds to show you how I trade with a small initial amount. So I'll breeze through the settings real quick and then we'll jump right into trading. I've got 20 for investment. Yeah, I know it's a very small deposit, but that's exactly the kind of amount I usually use to test strategies, and I recommend you do the same. Trade duration is gonna be 1 minute. Let's set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. The currency pairs I'm gonna with today are the Australian and the Canadian dollar, the Australian and the US dollar, the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, and the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. All with the maximum percentage 92. Now let's move on to the first pair and add the indicators MACD and stochastic. Awesome. This is a combination of top quality indicators. Why? I'll explain that in detail towards the end of the session once you've seen them in action. Now for the MACD, let's set the fast period to 15, slow period 27, signal period 10. And we'll tweak the styles to make the lines thicker and each indicator a different color for better visibility. And for the stochastic styles parameters, we'll make all the lines thicker and choose brighter colors for the main lines so they're super clear and visible. This is what savvy trading is all about, and personally it constantly gives me a lot of opportunities to improve my well-being and fulfill my desires, like acquiring my dream car, the Lamborghini Huracan, wearing watches that I like, and moreover benefiting people, because I can share my experience. For example, helping my followers develop in trading through my Telegram channel. It already has nearly 15,000 members, and just yesterday, together we made over 420,000. You know how we managed to do this? The thing is, I daily publish trading signals in real-time mode. And this means that every member of my channel can copy my trades and get the same stunning results. And you know what else? Subscription to my channel is absolutely free right now. Still free. No time to hesitate. Subscribe, link in the description and the first pinned message. The first pair on the list is the Canadian dollar and the yen. And I'm diving into a downside trade. The chart is showing slow movements that indicates a formed peak and a gradual downward trend. Both indicators are backing up my prediction. Alright, the trade closed near the entry point, which is risk when trading in a sluggish market, but still I came out on top. Why? Because I'm working with the most lucrative type of trading. The key here is accurately forecasting price movements over a specific time frame, which I nailed. Moving on to the Canadian dollar and the franc. I'm bumping up the investment to 38. Let's go for higher. I entered the trade after a strong bearish push, anticipating a rebound, plus the stochastic lines started dipping into the oversold zone. This is how I prefer to close trades. The deposit is now up to 73, which is great news. Let's keep it rolling. Now it's the Australian and the American's turn. I'm bumping up the investment and going for the fall. The asset hit its peak and started to reverse its trend. Stochastic indicators are also sharply declining, signaling a continuation of the downward trend. I've discussed similar market scenarios with my Telegram subscribers recently. They know to keep an eye on how the chart behaves near the resistance zone and how the stochastic indicates bullish support. Another great trade, things are looking up. Let's continue. The Australian and the Canadian are showing mixed signals on the chart. I'll skip it and head straight to the Canadian dollar and yen. Investing 140 for growth. Stochastic is almost touching the 30 mark and there's a significant bearish trend. It makes sense to expect a rebound. By the way, how to see and recognize such patterns on the chart I teach in my Telegram channel. The more you study the theory and the more often you trade, the better you'll be at reading such patterns. And everyone who wants to trade safely and effectively can participate in my daily live trading sessions. I'll specifically tell you when to enter a trade and on which currency pair. You choose the amount yourself, whether it's 1 or 100, I do the trading and we get the same results. And it's completely free now. Agree it's cool? So click on the link in the description below the video and in the first pinned message, and message me in direct that you are now with us, traders. See you in Telegram. Meanwhile, the trade has closed and I increased my deposit again. Amazing. Canadian dollar and franc again. I'm changing the amounts. Let's press lower. In this situation, it was evident that a sharp downward movement of prices would follow. Firstly, the powerful bullish momentum continued for a long time without rebounds. Secondly, the stochastic lines remained sideways while the price was rising. So this chart behavior was entirely expected. We've got 516. That was, I call, the result of competent technical analysis. Let's move on. Back to the Australian and American dollar. I'm investing the entire amount and going bearish. The bulls attempted to overcome the resistance level for the second time but failed. This gave the bears the upper hand. This is also evident from the sharp drop in indicators and the decline in MACD. By the way, right now, while we are analyzing the chart, my channel subscribers are making more than 700 in a single day. If you want in, the link is waiting for you in the description. Another trade closed with confidence. Moments like this remind me why I chose to dedicate my life to trading. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Now I'm investing the maximum possible amounts, 991, and pressing the low button. I'm hoping the situation with the asset will improve. Currently, buyers failed to break through the resistance level, but they have not fully given it up to the sellers yet. Indicators suggest the bull's strength is waning, so I'm expecting a decline. My prediction was spot on again. Although we closed the deal near the entry point, the most important thing with this platform is accurately predicting price movement. We benefit not from the difference between buy and sell. We benefit if we make the right choice between higher and lower. Thanks to my background, I made the right choice. Alright, let's move on to the final deal. Now Canadian dollar and yen. I'm going all in with a maximum investment of 1,000. Pressing the lower button. The asset is going through a strong bullish rebound, but it's only temporary. There's a bearish response coming soon and it will drive the price back down. Another spot on call. Today my deposit sits at 2,823. Which I think proves how efficient this strategy is. So use it, trade with it, and achieve great results. I'm sure you've seen that the most reliable trading method for beginner traders is participating in my live trading online sessions. Everyone can see all the information in the Telegram channel, which currency pairs I trade, and exactly when I enter trades. This means that everyone who traded with me yesterday achieved the same results as I did. Together we made over 420,000. Actually, it's over 735 per person. It's not bad, right? Wanna be one of us? Join my almost 15,000 strong community where everyone who trades make over 735 per session every day. For many of my followers, such results have become an opportunity to improve their living conditions, pay for their education, help their parents, and fulfill their dreams. Their successes always amaze and inspire me. Anyone who wishes can join us. All you need to do is take 2 steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and send me a direct message. Become part of a large trading family. Replicate my trades to have the opportunity to achieve results similar to mine. Be sure to message me. That's it. Goodbye for now. See you in my next video.